A very simple recipe on how to make your green seasoning marinade. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Annie Krieger. Stick around with me and enjoy watching. To make your green seasoning marinade at home, these are the few herbs you need for that. On our list is our parsley, clean fresh parsley. We have our spring onion, or you can as well call it scallions. We have our fresh rosemary. I have one green Scotch bonnet pepper. Go for red Scotch bonnet pepper if that's what you have. I also have my green long pepper. Any other bell pepper it's also suitable for this recipe. The most important one here is my parsnips. I love to go to include parsnips in this recipe because of the amazing taste. For those who don't know about parsnips, it's a root vegetable closely related to carrot or to celery or to parsley. Okay, I have my ginger, I have garlic, and I have onions. Okay, after peeling your parsnips, that is what it looks like. I love to include it to my marinade because of the amazing flavor. It has this sweet and nutty flavor that comes with it. I just love it. Now you want to go ahead and blend everything. Make sure you chop everything to make it easier for the blender. Now you want to avoid adding any liquid. I didn't add any liquid. This is because you want to retain those natural flavor, the natural taste that comes with it, and also to avoid letting it get spoiled too fast. Okay, so you can leave this in your fridge for at least 3 weeks without anything happening. It has to be well chilled without it getting spoiled if you don't add any liquid. What I did is just add everything to my blender, add in enough oil, vegetable oil, or any other suitable oil you have at home. Now cover up and chop or blend. I went ahead to add in the rest of the vegetables and herbs, add in more oil, and that's it. You are good to go. Now, like I said, I didn't add any water because I want to have it long in the fridge fresh, but you can choose to go in, just portion it as a cube and freeze it. Enjoy any time of the year. Now, this is the good thing about this marinade. It's not just for protein. If you want to make your fried rice, go ahead after when frying your rice, go ahead, add small amount of this, and your recipe will come out superb. You can have it as a pesto, you know, the Italian pesto. Have it for pasta or for risotto. Have it as a deep sauce to any of the meal. And guys, ever since I had this marinade, nothing goes wrong in my kitchen anymore. Natural seasoning. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to give your thumbs up. Don't forget to share with your loved ones. Leave your opinion in the comment section, and see you all in my next one. Bye for now.